Good morning, students. All of you first mute your microphone. All of you mute your microphone. Sujan, Upasho, mute your microphone. Okay. I am fine, beta. How are you? Hope you are well. I am fine. Okay. So now let's start. This is your EVS class, and in the last classes we have already completed question number 1, A, B, and C. Okay. I am fine, Pratusha. Hope you are well. So now, all of you open your EVS book, page number 98. Okay, page number 98. Upasho, page number 98. Page number 98. So first, tick the correct word. Okay, number 1, our earth is round in shape. Number 2, more than half or one third of our earth is covered with water. That is more than half. More than half of our earth is covered with water. Next, number 3, our earth has many beautiful landforms and water bodies. Our earth has many beautiful landforms and water bodies. And number 4, we must keep our earth green. We must keep our earth green. And next, number B, answer the following questions. Number 1, what is the shape of our earth? Which answer? What is the shape of our earth? Yes, our earth is round in shape. Very good. Our earth is round in shape. Yes, Sujan, the shape of our earth is orange, like an orange. The shape of our earth is round like an orange. Okay, Upasha, very good. Next, number 2. Why do we call our earth a blue planet? Why do we call our earth a blue planet? Why do we call our earth a blue planet? Why do we call our earth a blue planet? Write down quickly. more than, answer is more than half of our earth is covered with water. So that is why we called our earth as blue planet. Okay? Yes, Sujan, very good. More than half of the earth is covered with water. So we call the earth a blue planet. Yes. Next, number C. Complete the names of landforms and water bodies. Number 1, that is mountain, Mountain, mountain. Okay. Number C, 1, mountain. Yes, mountain. Next, number 2, that is river, RIVER, river. Number 3, that is hill, HILL, hill. Number 4, that is pond, POND, pond. Number 5, that is valley, VALLEY, valley. Number 6, that is waterfall, WATERFALL, waterfall. Okay, mountain, river, hill, pond, valley and waterfall. Okay, and your PT2 syllabus, that is having fun and my neighborhood. Okay, you will write down this PT2 syllabus, that is having fun, and my neighborhood, my neighborhood, NEIGHBOURHOOD. Okay, your PT2 syllabus, my neighborhood and having fun. You will see your exam schedule in your notice board. Okay, Somakni. Yes, so mountain, river, hill, pond, valley, waterfall. Very good. So next, number D, page number 98. You open your book, page number 98. Upasho, turn up your camera. Rewrite the statements correctly. Number D, because yes, rewrite the statements correctly. Number D. Our earth is triangular in shape. Number 1, D1. Open your EVS copy and write down quickly. Our earth is triangular in shape. Triangular in shape. So rewrite the statements correctly. Yes, very good. Our earth is round in shape. Only 2. Yes. Okay, you can write down in your book also. Upasho. So first, our earth is round in shape. Answer is our earth is round in shape. Okay, our earth is round in shape. Next, number 2. The earth is also called a green planet. Number 2, the earth is also called a planet. Rewrite the statements correctly. The earth is also called a green planet. Yes, very good. The earth is also called a blue planet, not green planet. Okay. Very good, Saptorshi, Sujan, Shrestha, Oujasik. Type fast. So now next, number 2. Number 2 question: the earth is also called a green planet. Green planet. Yes, so answer is the earth is also called a blue planet. The earth is also called a blue planet. Okay, very good, Upasho. Shrestha, okay, very good, completed. So next, number 3. We must not take care of earth. Number 3, we must not take care of earth. We must not take care of earth. Number 3, yes, very good, Saptorshi, Sujan, Samriddha, very good. We must not take care of earth. Number 3, we must not take care of earth. So rewrite the sentence correctly. Answer is we must take care of earth. We must take care of earth. Okay, next, number 4. Number 4, that is do not plant trees. Number 4, do not plant trees. Yes, very good. Plant more trees or plant trees. Okay. So number 4, that is do not plant trees. So answer is plant more trees. Okay. Yes, very good. So number 1, our earth is triangular in shape. Right answer is our earth is round in shape. Next, number 2, the earth is also called a green planet. Answer, the earth is also called a blue planet. Next, number 3, we must not take care of earth. Answer is, we must take care of earth. And next, number 4, do not plant trees. Answer is, plant more trees. Okay, plant more trees. Completed. Next, doing time. Okay, see in your book. Okay, very good. So next, doing time. Number A, make a poster on taking care of our earth. Okay, you write down any poster heading like say no plastic bags or plant more trees. Okay, and number B, draw the earth and color it. Okay, you draw earth, this picture, this earth, see this picture, the earth, and then color it. Okay, so these two topic, first a poster and the next number 2, draw a draw the earth and color it. These two topic, this is your homework. Okay, and you will do this two work. Only 2 chapter, my neighborhood and having fun. These 2 chapters are in your PT2 syllabus. Okay, Upasho, having fun and my neighborhood, these 2 chapter. So now today's time is over, and next classes we will start our new chapter.
Ma'am, side please.